Rollers are like new. All the rollers. These are the first things to go on these things. No rust. Stored inside most of its life. This bearing here. Stored inside most of its life. See. Original cable, no frays on it. This is my hand. I'm passing it. I'm not afraid of getting burrs on it. Original pull cord. Original pull cord. Brand new, older machine. Hardly ever used. Made in America. Made in USA. Not made in China, like the copycat ones. They have copycat ones out there for about $3,500 in their cheap version.